how to revert game updates in Roblox. This tutorial shows you how to restore your game to a previous version. First, open the Windows search panel on your PC. Next, type Roblox Studio and click Open. Following that, once Roblox Studio loads, go to My Games. Now, select the game you want to revert an update for. Moving forward, click on the three dots icon on the top right side. Afterwards, click on Configure Place from the drop-down menu. In addition to that, a web page will open showing your experience settings. Once there, look for version history on the left sidebar and click on it. Subsequently, you'll see every update you've made to this game organized by date. Moreover, find the version you want to restore your game to. Afterwards, click on the Restore button next to that version. Then, confirm the restoration when prompted. Within moments, your game will be reverted to that previous version successfully. And that's it. If this game update revert guide helped you fix issues or restore older versions, give it a like, subscribe for more Roblox Studio tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.